to MS Excel. Today, let us learn about macros. What is a macro in Excel? A macro in Excel is a set of instructions that automate repetitive tasks. Macros are created using VBA, Visual Basics for Applications, a programming language integrated into Excel. By using macros, you can save time and ensure consistency in your work. First, let us enable the Developer tab in our computer. First, let us go to File, click on More, Options, and then click on Customize ribbon option present there. When you click there, you can see the number of tabs that are present here. Now click OK. When you do this, the developer option will appear on the ribbon. On clicking this, you will get to see the Record Macro option, Use Relative Reference, Macro Security, Macros, Visual Basics, etc. To enable the Macros option,
click on the Record Macro option. Let us give this macros a name and give it a shortcut key. On giving this a shortcut key, you can call this macros function whenever you want and makes the task easier.
This macro can be saved in a personal workbook, a new workbook, or this workbook only.
Click on the OK button present there.
Recording for the macro will begin, and we can perform any task that you want to be repeated in the other sheets.
And click on the Stop Recording option, and the entire process will be saved in the macro.
So now we are going to give step-by-step explanation on how to use macros using conditional formatting. We have data collected for the 5 towns. We are going to do conditional formatting for the number of orders that each town has placed. Go to developer, start recording the macros. You can change the macros whichever name you want. And the shortcut key for the macro is Ctrl plus P and click on OK. The macros will start recording. Go to Home, Conditional Formatting and choose the color scales. And again go to Developer, stop recording the macros. And for the other town, you can select the number of orders, choose macros, and you choose macro 13 and run. So you can see the data that is changing into conditional formatting. You can do it same for the other towns as well. We are doing it same for the 5 towns. Go to Jayanagar, select the number of orders column, go to macros, and choose macro 13 and run. So the data automatically changes.
Click on the Visual Basics option present there, and when this tab opens, we get to see Module 1, Module 2, Module 3. On Module 3, we get to see the code that was running in the behind when we created our macros.